Goofy, you will never guess! What is it, Carmen? You called me over here when I was in the middle of reorganizing my Space Crafters action figure collection. My sister Sky is returning from Europe! Oh, great. That's right. Carmens Sister Sky is returning to the Darbie Show. When we last saw Sky, she looked like this. She wanted to help the planet, but wasn't exactly nice about it. Grrr. And back in the day, Carmen and Sky looked a lot alike. But since Carmen has gone from this to this, Sky is going to need a few changes as well. Time for a reboot. Barbie Fashionista number 109 has the same face sculpt as Carmen, but they have completely different styles, and I really like the contrast between the two sisters. She needs a made-to-move body, and matching her skin tone might be a challenge. Here is the curvy made-to-move Barbie. I don't know, there might be too big of a difference. Well, it looks pretty close. You know, I think we might be able to get away with this. But there's only one way to find out. Off with their heads! I place the dolls in a plastic bag and then place them into a cup of hot water. Always have adult supervision when crafting. I leave them in the water for a little while, just long enough for the head to soften, so we can carefully remove it without breaking the neck peg. Repeat for the other doll, then switch bodies, apply the head to make a new made-to-move Barbie Fashionista. And the made-to-move head can have the Fashionista body. Wow, Carmen and her sister have the same eyes. And let's give her some freckles too. I mix orange and brown paint with a little bit of water, then use a fine-tip brush to make small dots around the eyes to give her freckles. Now let's give her a little style. Roses are red and violets are blue. Thank you. And the stars. Let's pick out an outfit to reflect her personality. Aww, that is cute! I like the star top with the cutout shoulders and the made-to-move dancer jeans. This works too. The shirt reminds me of outer space, and I like the little touch of pink. It reminds me of her hair. What about the dancer's black tube top, a patent leather vest, and a plaid skirt? It's a great outfit for open mic night. I took the shoes from the original Barbie Fashionista to complete the look. And she has a nice little wardrobe to choose from. Froggy, you wouldn't mind making my sister a real quick little room, would you? Sure, no problem. Hey! Not fair! Maybe we can recycle some of our New Year's backdrop. Let's remove the balloons, remove the back wall. I cut it to be 13 by 15¼ inches. Cut and cover another piece of cardboard that is 15 by 12 inches to be the floor, then another that is 12 by 13 for a sidewall. Glue them together, use foam for baseboards to make a corner room. Use a platform from a previous craft and add a thin mattress, sew blankets and pillows to make bedding for her bed. Let's add a clothing rack so she can have her wardrobe and our butterfly chair with an extra fluffy cushion. Make a woven wall hanging from our Froggy in the Dollyverse video to hang above the bed. Add Polaroids above the chair and the street sign from Sophie's room. Add some lights to the back wall to make a room for Sky. I wanted this room to have a very artistic feel. The gold and the Christmas lights on the back remind me of stars. This room is the complete opposite of Carmen's, which is exactly what we were going for. Thank you for joining us while we gave Sky a makeover. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog.
And you're done. Happy crafting!
to give a shout out to Sky Bo. What's up? Sophie, you don't sound very excited about Sky. Well, the last time she was here, we didn't exactly get along. Maybe things will be different this time. Ooh, that's my phone. Hello? Hey, sis. I'm here.